Good morning, friends. It's 6 o'clock, and this is the time to start either your affirmation, meditation, or a prayer. To start a meditation or a prayer, you gotta wake up, obviously, use the bathroom, brush your teeth, brush your hair for those who have hair, dress up, and only then start a meditation or prayer. First, what I do is I put a spiritual music. Typically, monks are either chanting or singing, and I'll listen to the sound for 5 to 10 minutes in order to connect to the energy of monks. And only then, when my thoughts come down, I start a morning prayer that lasts about 45 minutes to an hour. And only then the day begins. The same thing you do in the evening before you go to bed. There are 5 different poses that you can do the prayer, which I'm gonna show at the end of this video. And with that said, I wish you a blessed day. And for those who are ready to start your affirmation, meditation, or a prayer, please ask me questions and I'll be happy to answer how you can do affirmations in the morning or evening, meditation, or a prayer. Namaste.